Hello everyone! Welcome to Our Charmed Midlife. I'm Danny.
And I'm John.
And today we are starting a new series called Johnny Can Cook.
We'll see.
So, this is his new idea. He's trying to cook for us, because I don't. And he's found recipes and things on Instagram or TikTok, and we're going to try them out. So, tonight is what?
Enchiladas.
Enchiladas.
Well, it's called an enchilada dip, but it's...
What is it? Can we see where you're getting the recipe from? Let's see.
It's from Instagram.
Cheesy chicken enchilada skillet.
Yes.
Okay. Sounds good to me.
This is only a couple seconds. Let them see everything, and then we'll see how mine turns out at the end.
Hello. Okay.
Yep.
So, we're ready to get started. So, let's get everything prepared, and then we'll check back in.
I just got into the kitchen, so I need to get everything set up and ready to go, and then we'll
start the cooking.
Start the cooking, and you'll see it all.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, so the start of it, obviously, since it's chicken enchilada skillet, is to trim the chicken. I cannot look at this. So if I'm not pointing at the chicken, I'm sorry, everybody.
Somebody's filming without looking.
Yes. So I have issues with chicken. I just started eating chicken a couple years ago again. Otherwise, I don't eat any other meat. But I definitely have issues with the raw chicken and all that. So my lovely husband handles taking care of it. He makes sure it's trimmed really well because I'm very picky. Everyone, again, remember, got the tism. And so I have a lot of sensory issues when it comes to food, a lot of little things. So hence why he's doing the cooking. Okay, so chicken is trimmed.
Yep, trimmed, and I have it in the cooking bag. These are the steam bags for steaming stuff in the microwave. It's specific readings for chicken. You can do hot dogs, fish, you can do all kinds of veggies. These work really well for cooking something. It's kind of akin to boiling, but without the water.
Steaming.
Here we are. Gonna get the enchilada sauce into the pan.
So the enchilada sauce we're using, surprise, surprise, is Frontera's.
Yes.
Because
Frontera's the best.
Yes.
Best place all time. I'm going to start with one bag. We're going to see how much chicken we end up with after it's cooked and shredded. And we may go to a second bag of sauce. There's the enchiladas, onions. Good time is being had by all. Okay. First one is done, I believe. Ready. We're going to pull it out. And we'll break it open and just make sure, because you can put them back in. So we're going to, like this, like this, like this.
We're going to cook it some more in the sauce, so
yeah.
As long as it's mostly
and
done.
It doesn't matter what happens because it's getting shredded.
Right.
So, okay, that one's done. So we're going to put the second bag in, second breast, this, and we're halfway home with cooking the chicken. Easy, easy peasy.
We're going to shred this one?
Yeah, let's shred this. Get it going. So here is the, let me clean up my workspace a little bit. Okay. So, this goes right in here. Goes in here. And this guy just goes down over the top. Ready?
Ready.
Everybody ready for that? Are you sitting down?
Ready. Magic. That's so awesome.
Yes.
This thing saves our lives, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, it certainly saved a bunch of forks.
And it all goes in the dishwasher, right?
Yes. Yeah, it all goes in the dishwasher. Yep.
There we have shredded chicken.
Shredded chicken.
I know we could put it in the KitchenAid too, but that just is, then that's a bigger mess.
That's a bigger cleanup.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I'll plop these guys.
Plop. Nice.
Get that on the second one. I'm going to give this a rinse off and prepare for the second bag. Bag-o chicken.
All right, third bag of sauce going in.
Good thing we bought these by the 6-pack.
Yeah. We like things saucy.
Yes.
Plus, the tortillas are going to soak up more sauce. The chicken's soaking up the sauce. So.
Yeah. And this is, boy, I hope this is good because this made a lot.
How can it not be?
I mean, it's Frontera sauce and onions.
And chicken. And cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you just let this heat?
Yeah, let this cook. Let this mingle.
Heat through, okay.
Yeah.
How long do you think?
Well, I just turned the heat up. I think I want it to come to a good simmer, maybe a slow boil. And then...
We'll check back in?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, it's been 5 minutes.
Welcome back, everybody. This was just boiling, so I think it's cooked I think it's cooked as much as we want it cooked. So now, add the cheese, please.
Your favorite part.
I'm not sure which is a favorite part. Well, I mean, cheese is my favorite. But, you know, the Frontera sauce, man.
It smells amazing.
Yeah,
I wish you guys could smell this. Ooh.
Johnny, don't skimp on the cheese.
Oh my goodness.
A lot of times, you know.
You're doing more? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like a little crust thing and then you spoon and serve.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay.
So.
A minute or two?
Yeah.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Should we point out the best kitchen towel there is?
It's certainly the best kitchen towel we have.
Not
Almost.
all melted.
Almost.
But doesn't that look amazing?
I say another 2 minutes.
So, we will put our own sour cream on top.
Yeah, we dish it up into individual bowls.
Okay.
And you put your sour cream and extra onions or whatever you want on top.
And no guacamole.
No guacamole for somebody's allergic.
I'm allergic to guacamole, but so we don't usually have it in the house. But
yeah.
It would be wonderful with this, I can tell you that.
I've learned to live it up. But that's okay. I'd rather have you than guacamole any day.
Aw, thank you. Oh. We ready?
I think we're ready.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay.
All right.
We'll see how this goes.
Oh, that looks so good. That's a lot of cheese.
That is a lot of cheese. You've been married to me for 20 years, and is that yours?
Sure.
Okay. Because then this one will be
More cheese.
Johnny sized.
And all in all, how long do you think this took? 45 minutes?
Well, I started about 20 after, so about 35 minutes to get here. I mean, from start to finish. I mean, it was not bad. So.
And do you know the Instagram person that posted this?
Let me find out. My phone's on the table.
Okay, let's go to the table.
So, we're plated, chef. And we're seated. Sarah.Haven.
Haven.
Haven.
That's where you can find this recipe. You can also follow us on Instagram.
Yep, we will have a link to it.
Our Charmed Midlife.
All
All right,
Sarah.
taste test.
Thank you. She got us this far. Now it's up to me. Us.
You did it.
Well, no, it's up to us to eat.
Oh.
Serve and enjoy.
It's, yeah.
Okay, see you later. This is really good. I thought it had to be because it's so simple.
Yeah.
And I think the Frontera sauce makes a difference.
Yeah.
That's the best sauce we've found. I think the only thing I'd do a little bit differently maybe is soften the onions a little bit more. So, well, we didn't soften them at all.
Right.
So soften the onions. I don't think it's missing anything. I haven't gotten a tortilla strip yet, but
Okay.
I think it's good.
All right, so that's it. I'm going to sit and have mine. We're starting our white collar for the night, and we're going to have dinner. So thanks for tuning in, and come on back to Our Charmed Midlife as we continue this series that Johnny can cook.
Johnny can cook.
All right, thanks, guys. Bye.